Okay.
Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying your studies at your home. Today we are going to learn some more important things in the chapter 1, that is about the grammar part we are learning now. And you have understood all the things what I have explained you in the previous video about the antonyms, about the synonyms and everything. Today we are going to learn about the punctuation. Okay, what we are going to learn about punctuation means inverted comma, full stop, question mark, comma, everything, exclamation mark. Okay, this type of the signs we are using, they are called as a punctuation. And even when if they say that punctuate the sentences, means what you have to do, you have to use the capital letter properly, where we have to use the capital letter, where we have to put the comma, where we have to put the inverted commas, where we have to put the question mark, everything we have to learn. For example, if there are did you notice when we have to use the inverted commas? If the inverted commas can be single or double. Okay, inverted commas. Inverted commas are like this. These are inverted commas. Okay. Okay, students, these are inverted commas. Okay, they can be single or they can be double. Okay, after this we can learn about the comma. Comma means like this we are putting. Sometimes if you are writing one or two, three names, at that time we use comma like this. Yes, these are the commas. Now, they are also known as a quotation marks, speech marks are quotas. They are mainly used to mark the beginning and end of the actual words. Okay, इनका यूज मीन्स इन्वर्टेड कॉमास का यूज हम कब करते हैं? जब हम किसी वाक्य बिगिनिंग शुरुआत में भी कर सकते हैं हम इनका उपयोग, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास का उपयोग, और हम अंत मतलब वाक्य का जब अंत होता है, मतलब जब हम सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करते हैं तभी इन्वर्टेड कॉमास का उपयोग किया जा सकता है। लेकिन किस पर निर्भर होकर? डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टेक्स्ट, मीन्स ऑन डिपेंडिंग ऑन द एक्चुअल वर्ड्स, मीन्स जो वास्तविकता में जो शब्द होते हैं, जैसे कि टेक्स्ट दैट समवन सेड और रोट, जैसे कि कुछ ऐसा शब्द जो किसी ने कहा है या किसी ने लिखा है। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग ने। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग ने, आई एम राइटिंग द सेंटेंस ऑन द बोर्ड। ने माई friend, sorry students, I am writing this again here. Ne my friend replied Brahman mildly. Okay, mildly. Sorry students, I have not completed the whole sentence on the board. I have written only a single word after this. Now you can see the inverted commas, the means the word, actual word or the text said or wrote. Okay, so ne, before ne we will use the inverted comma. After the ne we have to put the comma because we have written my friend. After the completion of this, again we will put here inverted comma. Okay students, in this way when a dialogue is said or when a quotation is said, जब एक dialogue कहा जाता है तब हम ऐसे inverted commas का उपयोग कर सकते हैं. Okay, and then in this we can use, we have completed, after the completion of the sentence we have to put the full stop, and while starting the sentence the first letter will be in a capital. I hope students you have understood this. Next we are going to learn some more things. Use inverted commas to mark the beginning and end of a dialogue. Inverted commas का उपयोग means ये चीजें remember means we have to keep in our mind when we start means if we are using the inverted comma we have to use at the beginning of the sentence. It may be in the beginning or it may be at the end of the sentences. Okay, but it should be in a dialogue form or a quotation form. For example, he said I don't care. For example, I am saying he said I don't care. So he said, उसने कहा I don't care. So here I don't care is a dialogue. Okay, so before the I we will start the inverted comma, and at the completion of the sentence we will put the full stop and then we will close with the inverted commas. Okay, I hope students you have understood. Next, second point what we have to remember is that always capitalize the first word in a quotation. Already I have explained you, whenever we are writing the dialogue or quotation, the first word of that sentence will be capital. Okay, don't forget this thing. This is a very important thing. Whenever we start a sentence, after the full stop or if at the starting itself, if there is a full stop and we are starting any other sentence, at that time also we have to use the first letter in a capital. Okay, so if the sentence is started at that time also we have to use the first letter in a capital. Next, the third point is full stop always goes inside the quotation marks. If we are using, for example, if I have taken the inverted commas in the starting and at the end. Okay, now before the inverted comma, we are closing the inverted comma. Before that we have to put the full stop and then we have to close the inverted comma. Okay students, no need to put the inverted comma first and then put the full stop. This will be wrong. This method is correct. This method is correct. Okay, before closing the inverted commas, we have to put the full stop. Next, point number 4. The placement of question mark with the quotation marks follow logic. If a question is within the quotation, a question mark should be placed inside the quotation mark. जैसे कि मैं आपको ये समझा सकती हूँ, we can take for example, we can say that if the sentence contains the question, अगर एक वाक्य में जैसे कि कोई वाक्य है, normally एक वाक्य है वो, ठीक है, she said will you be my friend. ओके, उसने कहा क्या तुम मेरे मित्र रहोगे. she said में हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. she said हमने लिख दिया. see here I am writing here she said comma, next will inverted comma, this is a quotation, will you be my friend, friend. Okay students, here you can will you be my friend. Now I will put the full stop, but यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है, क्या तुम मेरे मित्र बनोगे या रहोगे. So what is there? There is a question. So we will put here question mark, not full stop. What we will put? We will put here question mark, and after that we will close with the inverted comma, quotation mark. Okay student, have you understood what I am saying? If the given sentence is framed in a question type, then we have to put the question mark at the end of the sentence and then we have to put the inverted comma. Next, if the whole sentence is a question but the quotation is not, then the question mark goes outside. If अगर पूर्ण तरीके से मतलब जैसे कि शुरुआत में ही अगर वाक्य को जब जैसे कि मान लो कि do you agree with the saying bad habits die hard, क्या तुम इससे सहमत हो कि जो गंदी आदतें होती है वो बड़ी मुश्किल से छूटती है या बंद होती है. किसी में भी जो गंदी आदत है वो कभी छूटती नहीं बड़ी आसानी से, क्या तुम इससे सहमत हो. तो इसमें क्या हो गया, do you agree शुरुआत में ही, मतलब when the sentence has been started, at that time only the question has been framed. So what we have to do, the inverted commas will be there, but after the closing of the inverted comma we have to put the question mark. inverted comma को close करने के बाद ही हमें वहां पर question mark डालना है. Next, similarly if the exclamation is within the quotation, an exclamation mark should be placed inside the quotation mark. और कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि exclamation mark, exclamation, this is exclamation mark, I am writing here exclamation mark. Okay, if the quotation means if there is a sentence and in that sentence if there is a means for example I am taking she cried be careful, she cried be careful, वहाँ चिल्लाई या उसने कहा जोर से चिल्लाते हुए be careful, she cried be careful. Okay, in this sentence now we can see उसने कहा be careful, be careful में हमने exclamation mark तो लगाया. I am writing here she cried be careful. Okay, exclamation mark, inverted comma. In this way we have to put the exclamation mark will be put it before the closing inverted commas are put it there. Okay, next is if the whole sentence is an exclamation, अगर पूर्ण तरीके से पूरे वाक्य में ही exclamation वाला मीन्स एक आश्चर्यचकित होने वाले शब्द बोले जा रहे हैं पूर्ण तरीके से, तो तब हमें क्या करना है, inverted commas completely close करना है, उसके बाद ही हमें क्या करना है, exclamation mark का use करना है. Now I hope you have understood. So now we will start. Let's try 7. Okay. Students, now let's see the let's try 7. In question what they have given, punctuate and rewrite the following sentences. Means they have given you the sentences, what you have to do, you have to rewrite the sentences by punctuating. Means we have to use the capital letter, where we have to put the comma, where we have to put the inverted commas, where we have to put the full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and all. By seeing this we have to rewrite the sentences. Again, the first question is Maya is trying hard in school this semester, her father said. See here in this sentence, Maya is trying hard in school this semester, her father said. In this sentence, what's going on there? Maya is trying hard. Maya जो है वो बहुत मेहनत कर रही है. So the first letter M will be capital. The main thing is that the Maya is the name of a person, so it will be in a capital. We will write that M capital. Is trying hard in school this semester. After the completion of this semester, we have to put the comma, and there will be inverted comma at the starting of the sentences. Okay, and after the sentence we will put the comma, semester, then we will put inverted comma. I am writing on the board. See one, students, Maya. How we will write the answer of Maya? Capital letter, put inverted comma, is trying hard, is trying hard in school. Okay, this semester. Put the comma and then close with the inverted commas. Her father said. Her father said. Okay, in these way. Now, at the completion of the sentence, full stop. Next, question B. Granny said we all are ready to go. Now, B, answer. Granny. G will be capital. Granny said. Now, Granny said. After this, we will put here comma. Open with the inverted comma. We, capital letter W. We all are ready to go. Full stop here. Close with the inverted comma. Okay. Next. Yes, next see question. We should have left the forest earlier, said Molly. So now what we have to use? Inverted comma. Inverted comma. We should, W will be capital letter. We should have left the forest. Have left the forest. Left the forest earlier. Comma, close with inverted comma, said Molly. Here, who said? Molly said. So before the said, we will use inverted comma, and then after the Molly will be in capital, M will be capital, and there will be a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, question number D. Answer. Nainital is beautiful in this season, said the travel agent. So Nainital will be capital. We will put here Nainital is beautiful. Is beautiful in this season. Beautiful in this season, said the travel agent. Okay, students, here you can see inverted comma I have used at the starting of the sentence. There will be a capital letter, N will be capital letter. Next is beautiful in this season, because before there, who said this? Travel agent said this. So the text word which has been said or which has been written means it is a dialogue. एक डायलॉग एक कोटेशन हुआ तो उसमें इन्वर्टेड कॉमास यूज किए गए, लेकिन उससे पहले कॉमा यूज किया हमने. वो कंप्लीट करने के बाद हमने यहाँ पर फुल स्टॉप का यूज किया है. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन ई. In question E, the food is tasty, said the customers. So the answer will be here inverted comma, T will be capital. The food is tasty. Is tasty. The food is tasty, said the customers. here, full stop now. Okay, so students, I hope you have got understood. Now what you have to do, you have to learn and write this whole question and in your textbook. Yes, students, now question number B. Now write one synonym each for the words. You can see they have given word in the board. On the board you can see they have given a single word. In a question they have given one word. What you have to write? You have to write the synonyms. Means आपको क्या लिखना है? एक एक पर्यायवाची शब्द इन शब्दों के लिखने हैं. The first is hard. The synonym for hard will be we can take firm, 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 or difficult. Okay, difficult. Next question B is ready. Means तैयार है ना. So like for ready we can take prepared, 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 or available, available. Okay, next question C is beautiful, sundar, lovely, or attractive. We can take two synonyms or we can write a single synonym also. Next is tasty, swadisht. So the synonym for tasty will be delicious, delicious. Yes, students, what you have to do, you have to take screenshot of this and fill in your textbook. If you are not having textbook, write the whole part in your friend notebook. Okay, students, have a nice